Guys, Marinette125, and today I'll be showing you this. This is a little puppy that my mum just bought it today, this afternoon, and I'm going to show you what it is going to do. Oh my god, it is so funny. When I first heard it, oh my god, it was so funny. So yeah, I just want to show you guys this early. Well, I'll see you guys probably Christmas. Well, no, probably. I'll probably be a bit, I don't know, do nothing. But anyway, happy Christmas till then and all that. So I'm just doing an early start because Mum's starting to buy all Christmas stuff. And yeah, see you guys later. Marinette125 out. Bye.